But today I can tell you, if you, whatever you do to let go and stay present, it will work. Yeah. But it's a reprogramming. It's completely the opposite we've been doing in this lifetime, lived this lifetime and many lifetimes. It's not such thing, oh, I'm going to clean. Yeah, good luck. So there is not even one seminar, really. But one thing that I appreciate in Croatia, and Belgrade too, yes? It doesn't happen in other countries as much. I always have reviewers, but here is one of the only countries that I said, tomorrow I will ask how many new people, how many reviewers, and I have a lot of hands from reviewers. And that is, I cannot describe what that means for me. Because these are the people that are committed to do it. That understood it. Yeah? Because I took it even many times and I didn't still get it totally, And after many seminars, I said, wow, this is what I was looking for. It wasn't the first one. So at the end tomorrow, I will ask reviewers, was this the same seminar you took last year? And they will say no. Because even if I would be copycat, that exactly the same, you will not hear the same things. Because I'm not the same and you're not the same. Every time you watch the video, you will hear something different. You will understand something different. Yeah? So cleaning, like anything, is practice, practice, practice. Repetition, 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 but that's the way we learn. So if I tell you, you come to one training and you know the cleaning, why would you come back? Yes, Mabel, I came to one training, why do I have to come back? You will know or not. Maybe, you will try it and then say it will not work the way you expected, and you say, this doesn't work. I told you, too easy, no? Cannot be. So, probably I took 5 or 6 times the training the first year. And before one of those trainings started, I went to my teacher, Intellect. I was not teaching yet, my first year, and I said, I clean, but it doesn't work. After 5 or 6 training. And he didn't say anything, but before the training started, he came, he looked into my eyes, and he told me, no expectations. And since that day, I signed to you that oponopono works every time. Yeah? Because that was what I could hear or understand in that moment. And it made a profound difference in my life. Because immediately I understood. I said, expectations, it's also the crazy of the house talking. Yeah. Oh, yeah, this doesn't work because look, the results. No, it's not like that. So even after a while, so I cannot even tell you that one training will do. You say, okay, I'll do what I heard and I do it. Yeah. Good luck. Okay, actually we come to the trainings for the cleaning that happens that she mentioned. Yeah. Difficult for the intellect. The intellect will never appreciate that because he doesn't have a clue. This will be the absentee table tomorrow, no? Okay, so people taking in absentee, can you believe? I have a lot of crazy students around the world.
I didn't get it.
Okay, remember we put the absentee table, the names, every year? Was she here the last how many years? See how you have to come back to the trainings? Okay. I'll explain. So always in the Ho'oponopono trainings, we have a table with cards with names. It will say a name and a country where they live. Okay, so those people pay to be an absentee. They don't get anything in theory, anything tangible. They pay for us to put their names there. Because they know that whatever gets erased from us, it will get erased from them. Thank God I have crazy people. So they write to me after. Say, Mabel, wow, what a cleaning, thank you. That amazing cleaning in Croatia. Okay. Other people say that they see me how I'm dressed, and then they actually, they say that they show up, they get to show up, and they say, oh, wow, that was the way I saw Mabel dressed. In Mexico, I have also one of those crazy people, and I see my student gets up and she's looking in the front, from the back. And I say, Anna, something wrong? She said, no, I was seeing some fireworks. He says, and I didn't know where they were coming from. He says, so I got up to see what it was. It's not so much light. He said, it's the absentee table. Yeah. In Colombia, no, in Peru, there had been a murder. It was a passional, murder. And somebody asked if we could put these ladies that was murdered, we could put it in the absentee table. And I thought that came from inspiration, and I gave the okay to do it. And these crazy students, they told me the lady was there the whole seminar with us. So a lot of things happen that we are not aware. So that's why I didn't know how to answer your question. I asked for help. Yeah, but different interpretations. Yes, but that's what it is. I hope I answer. Okay.